Our first ride ever on this brand new street. Look at this. Adorable. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous day? Good, I hope. I'm doing fantastic. It's a drizzly one. I haven't recorded a video on a drizzly day in a while, so I figured might as well get one in there. I feel like I haven't recorded a vlog in a while. What happened is I went on a bunch of rides with my friends, and there was too many videos, and oops, sorry, I have to focus there for a second. Can't talk while savagely violating people. Yeah, I've rode a bunch with friends and thought it was worth recording all of that, and now I'm oversaturated with videos, so I'm still posting videos from like late freaking late May and June, right? Or from late April and May, and God knows what. We're just confused. It's gonna be right though. Somebody's toking some weeds early morning, huh? Crazy folks with them straight. To get the bike tuned, the decat pipe and the MIV without the tune, I think they're like making the bike act weird a little bit. It's a little choppy sometimes and all that, so I'm gonna take it to get it tuned before causing any serious damage. Not that I think I'm causing any damage to the bike. That's the 15-footer. That's the truck I'll be driving next weekend. It's not so big. Hopefully it's big enough. Yeah, maybe it's just in my head, but no, the bike is pulling, it's fine. It's just a lot of backfires. Too many backfires. Too many backfires. It's nice, but I'm constantly like holding the clutch just to not annoy every single person in the world, which is, you know, it's fine. I'm gonna open the windshield. I guess it's one of those days where I'm cranky, huh? No, but I actually been feeling so accomplished. You know, that's a weird thing to say. As of yesterday afternoon, I wasn't feeling accomplished, but now I feel accomplished because one thing I'll say, and it's cheesy and stupid, but never give up and never surrender. You know? That's literally the main takeaway, because you could easily just give up and see the challenges ahead of you and just be like, bro, I don't want to do this. I don't have a choice. some things you don't have a choice. Like some things for the family, like you have to take care of shit. Really, bro? You're gonna squeeze me with your stupid fucking Sara Lee van? Jerk off. You got plenty of room to the left. You fucking banana. Go, you fucking jerk off. I hate this person. Alright, we'll pass him like this. Look at all these folks. Nobody's even taking this exit here. I'm being a savage a little bit. It happens. Once in a while, savagery happens. Have to think of everything as a challenge and as a little test, big and small, as opposed to some sort of a curse or an obligation or some sort of a very good. Ooh. Oh, good. And yeah, anyway, there's a slight drizzle, but we're not too annoyed with it. We're gonna be all right. I'm wearing my Aether Skyline jacket, my older one. I gotta wash it. She's a little bit dirty. She's filthy. I got my new one, but yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna take this bike to Brooklyn Moto. Mark is gonna tune this baby for me. And reset the service light right there. Here we go. There's a speed camera here, so keep it in under 35. Where's the speed camera? Can't even see it. Oh, it's over there. No, where is it? I usually can spot them. Not today though. Huh? Not too-easy. Not too-easy. No traffic today. I'm showing up to work mad early. Come on, you fucking bananas. Got time for this shit. Yeah, can you move over? The fuck? Ah, yeah, mother. These people, these streets are fucking me so hard. So tired of all this construction, but they're fixing them. Go ahead, bro. Oh shit. Alright, that's fine. We're gonna go this way and hope there's no pow-pow. Oh boy, look at this. They haven't got to the street yet, huh? But it will be fixed. All of these will be fixed one by one. Things will be alright. Hopefully this next street is open now. Haven't been here in over a week to this beautiful Dumbo. This block here is next that they're gonna fix. Yep, look at this. Our first ride ever on this brand new street right over here. Look at this. Adorable. Could park right here. Tight street. Another little parking right there. But I like my block over here better. Right over here. This is lovely. Right? Yeah, why not? Yo, those people are scrubbing the fucking sidewalks. That's amazing. All right. Poor bike. It's completely disgusting. Completely disgusting. Look at this shit. This is exactly why I didn't want to ride it. This nasty shit. Fuck. I just washed it. Alright, well, we'll have to hose her down. It's all good. It's all part of the fun. Better than the train. Alright, well, thank you for watching, boys and girls. This cranky, weird little vlog. Another one. Bye. Ride safe.